How to find hidden folders in Outlook, or you can show the hidden folders in Outlook email. So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about there's a server options you can use to find show your hidden folders in Outlook. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So I just opened my Outlook, and if I'm using the Hotmail or Outlook mail or Microsoft mail, you need to just click on the main account email ID, okay, and just go to the three dot option and go to the folders only. So all folder will be expand, and it will be also expand the hidden folders. Now the second method, just click on inbox and right click on it and go to the, sorry, this is for Gmail account. If you're using the Gmail accounts, go to the Gmail account. Okay, first step, just hit the main account, go to the three dot option and click on folders. Then all folders will be expand, or if you go to the navigate option here, this one navigation, okay, just come up, okay, under the folder, okay, this is navigation folder option, don't click on it. Just try to first option, just select the email ID and go to the three dot option and click on folders. Okay, then folder will be expand here. And second option, if you're using the Gmail or Yahoo, just click on inbox, right click on it, go to the IMAP folders, and the window will be open. Just click on query, then you can see all folders will be visible here. Now you need to just select which folder you want. So I just need spam and star it or send mail, or you can select the single folder and just subscribe it and just click on OK. When you subscribe, the folder will be come here in spam. Okay, you can find out the folder which you have subscribed, it will be show here. So that is how you can unhide the hidden folder in Outlook email. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.